Well, let's see what's going on. I put fresh water and fresh food. I think she likes the treats. Hello. Hello. What happened? Everyone's coming after everyone? Yeah, I see you. I see you. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yeah. She's making sure she's not near her food. I know. Go eat your food. You want more? Want more of the treats? I'll give her more treats. Yeah. You want more treats? Come on. Here, come on. Oh, it looks... There you go. Okay. I like the treats. Yeah, I know. I'm sweetheart. You want more treats too? All right, hold on. Hold on, I'll get more treat. I'm gonna get more treats. Little black cat likes the treats. She's so scared. She only eats a little bit now. Here, mommy. Yeah. She wants a treat. Come here. Come over here. Don't stay near her because... Come over here. Go get your treat. Come on, let her eat the treat. Can she have it? I know. Can she have it? Can she have the treat? Can she have the treat, please? Yeah. She's everyone's near my foot. Yeah. Take it over here. Come over here. Go ahead, go eat the treat there. Go ahead. You want to eat the treat here? I need a wide angle here. Here, come here. Go ahead, go eat the treat. I know no one's bothering you. This is what I'm dealing with on Thursday. This little one I thought wanted to be friends is trying to tell her to go away. I'll put more in the bucket for this one. This is a feisty one. Hi. We've got some birds on the feeder. Look at this one. Hi. Hello. Yeah, you're looking at her. You're wondering what she's eating. Well, they're all eating. Oh, Lord Almighty. Lord Almighty. Look at you. You have so many friends. Just enjoy them. Don't charge at them. Yeah? I just want everyone to get along. Look at this one. He's so happy. All right. You want me to put more in the bucket for you? All right, I'll put more in.